Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Dropbox password. So for this, if you go to your Dropbox app, you will see that even in your account section, there is no area that shows change password or even passwords. Even if you go to your settings by tapping on the top right corner, even if you go to your settings by tapping on the top left corner, you will still see that there is no option available for changing your password. So for this, what you need to do is you need to open Dropbox in your browser. So here I'm trying to open Dropbox in my browser and see in order to change my password. So here I'm just going to have to type in dropbox.com and then sign in. Here I'm typing in my email address. After typing in the email address, I also have to type in my password. So I'm just going to type in my password here and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, here I will have now been logged into my Dropbox account on this browser. On the top right corner, I can see my profile icon. When I tap on the profile icon, there will be different options available, amongst which I have to tap on settings. So tap on settings. After tapping on settings, under personal account, there are different options available, amongst which you have to choose security. Tap on security. After tapping on security, you can see that there are numerous options, but the second option itself says password. So now you have to tap on change password. So here I have tapped on change password. Now when I zoom out, I can see that I have to enter my old password. So here I'm trying to enter my old password. And then I'm typing in my new password. And then tap on change password. And in this way, your password to your Dropbox account will have been changed. You'll also receive a notification in your Gmail account. So you can just go through and see the notification. And just like that, Gmail will notify you that your Dropbox password has been changed. So this is how you change your Dropbox password. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.